everyone, and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And my today's recipe is turkey, and we have to marinate the turkey first. So for that we need garlic, jalapeno, and onion. And I'm going to make a paste of this. And then I need half cup of yogurt and half cup of mayonnaise and half cup of ranch. I'm using the regular ranch. You can use the spicy one, but this one the regular. And one big lemon because I need the fresh lemon juice. And these are the two spices I'm using for giving Desi touch, which is tikka masala and dhania powder. And this is one bunch of fresh parsley with some butter and 2 spoons of black pepper. So first add mayo, ranch and yogurt in one bowl and mix it well. I'm taking ranch and mayo because that will help for the turkey to be juicy, because these both ingredients are really good because the turkeys mostly are dry inside when they cook, but if you use mayo and ranch together, the turkey will be very soft from inside when it cooks. And now I'm adding the paste of onion, jalapeno and garlic, which I made earlier. And now I'm adding all the dry spices, which is 2 spoons of black pepper. The tikka masala, this is a packet masala. You can use any one which is available. And this is the dhania powder, around 4 to 5 spoons of dhania powder. Now I'm adding fresh lemon juice. You can add the bottled one if you want to. And I will mix it with all the ingredients. After mixing all spices, now I'm adding these herbs as well, which are parsley. This is the dried parsley. I'm taking 1 spoon of dried parsley and a half spoon of thyme. If you have the fresh available, you can add the fresh one too, but I have dried available. And then I will add around 1 spoon of rosemary, and I will mix it well and keep it aside. And that's the turkey. It's around 13 to 14 pounds, and I have already washed it with the salt, and I kept it in the vinegar water for around 2 hours, and then I washed with the cold water. And now I'm drying the turkey because it's really important to dry the turkey before you apply spices. So now I will apply the spices mixture which I made earlier. So I'm going to apply this very good, like I will apply all over, like inside the skin. Make sure do not puncture the skin. And I have marinated the turkey, for overnight. And next morning I have make a mixture of the butter, and which is like I add lemon and orange zest in melted butter, and then I applied on the turkey. That's the next morning because I have kept the turkey for the whole night. And that's what I'm applying the butter on the turkey, like all over. And I will keep the half butter or less than half butter for the spread. Like when I will bake the turkey, then I will keep that with the brush, then I'll apply it on the turkey. And these are the vegetables I am using for the stuffing, like for filling inside the turkey. So I'm cutting little big pieces, like square pieces, and I'll fill those inside the turkey. So now I will fill all these veggies which I cut it in the turkey. I'm taking this pan and I will cover with the aluminum foil, and Then I will put the turkey on the top of the pan, and I will spread all the veggies. The cubes one, I'll put it on the bottom, and the rest of the vegetable I fill inside the turkey. And I will add the chicken broth as well. I have made earlier the chicken broth. I'm going to add the half cup of chicken broth over these vegetable, so that will give a good steam, and it will not these vegetable will not burn. And with the vegetable, with the broth, it will give me a good gravy, which will I use later. So I'm filling all the vegetable inside the turkey, just like filling all the way in. I'm making sure that it's filling good. And after filling all the vegetable in, I'm going to bake this and cover with the foil, and I will bake on 375 for 2 hours. So that's how it looks. I'm going to keep this turkey inside back in the oven for around 30 minutes more. But I'm taking this broth out to make the gravy. And for the gravy, I'm taking 1/4 the cup of the all-purpose flour. And I'm going to stir it and let it like light brown. You know, I'm going to keep stirring until it gets a little bit brown. And as you see, this is getting a little brown. I mean, you don't have to do the dark brown, just a little changing of the color. And I'm adding the chicken broth inside it. I will mix it good, and then I'll add the entire you know, the broth of the turkey, like, but just add it slowly. This is the turkey broth which left from the turkey. So I'm going to make a gravy, and make sure to stir well so there will be no lumps. And I'm going to let it cook until it's get a little thicker. So that's it. The gravy was ready when it was a little thicker, so I need that kind of thickness. But if you want more thick, just add corn flour in it, and you know, you can make it more thick. But I did not add no cornstarch, nothing. It's just the you know, I cooked for like 30 minutes, and that's the final look of the turkey. It was really juicy from inside and was really tasty because of the spices, and cooked really well. And that's the stuffing I made. If you want the recipe of the stuffing, do let me know in the comments below. I'll do share it with you guys. I hope you like my turkey recipe. If you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so very much for watching.